Welcome to Unbox the Planet. Today we're unboxing the DuDuBell dual mirror dash cam. It's got a 4.3 inch touch screen and front and rear camera. Here we go. So this is the box, pretty much as it came. I've obviously taken off the outer wrapping. To open the box, instructions in a few different languages, but obviously there is English, as you can see. So this is the main item. It's one of those dash mirror cams. So here you go. Here's the actual device. See there, the camera on the rear. Let's turn it around this way. Better look. See, it says there. There's the manufacturer's label there. Buttons on the bottom. See here, here's obviously the screen part and some of the controls there, and obviously it's got the magic film on it, which I haven't removed. I'll be taking that off once I do the install. Right, there we go. So that's that one. Oops. Let's put this over here. Let's. Okay, so more we have inside here. There's a inlay card, another one. So cables, we've got this item, which again looks like some sort of removal tool, a little cleaning cloth, some tie wraps, I suppose for tying up the cables. These gizmos I think are to help strap it to the actual mirror that we have. And we've got some cables, so there we go. Here's the first one. We've got a mini USB cable there. We have the power, which is obviously the cigarette lighter one. And in here we have the rear camera. Thanks very much. Here is the camera as it was packaged, so take it out. You can see in here, got the actual camera here, which apparently is IP68 rated. You've got some infrared emitters on there, some mounting brackets and the cables, etc. here. Inside the bag, in addition, you have adhesive mounting and some screws, so you've got the option to either attach it with screws or adhesive. And continuing from there, this is the power cable, mini USB at one end, cigarette lighter at the other.